Hello, friends. Today I'm cleaning and reorganizing the closet in our master bathroom, and I thought I would take you all along with me. I'm going to start by working on the lower shelf first, but I'm going to work on the second shelf just because it's easier to have everything at eye level. So I'm bringing up the basket. This basket has all of my hair supplies, and I'm finding that I just throw my products in there and then I can't find what I'm looking for. So I found these three little bins and I'm going to use these to kind of section the hair products out. I do love using all the baskets in the closet here. I am finding that the bottles will tip over in the baskets, and that is also adding to my mess. So I'm really hopeful that these bins will kind of control that mess a little bit better. So I'm just trying to go through everything and see what I use and what I don't use. I also am finding that I have a tendency to take off the caps to my products and just throw it into the bottom of the basket. So I had a nice little collection of caps in the bottom of that basket. I have this longer plastic bin that's just like the little bins. I decided to go ahead and use that in the basket. I figured it was easier to use one longer one than multiple smaller ones, but I did still need one of the smaller bins for the hair products. One of the little bins I decided to go ahead and use for our skincare products. Now that I have that basket clean, I'm moving back down to the lower shelf. I'm going to start by moving things around and wiping everything down. That basket's finished, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that back and move on to the next baskets. And that basket would be my hair accessory basket. It is full of hair ties and barrette and all kinds of little things that I use and a lot that I don't use. So I'm just kind of sorting through everything right now and figuring out what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. I'll let the girls go ahead and choose out of the things that I'm not keeping if there's anything that they want. If not, then I'm just going to go ahead and discard it. I like to store my bobby pins in an old Tic Tac container. As I was cleaning, I did see a few of them that had fallen out, so I just put those back down on the lower shelf again, and I'm just going in with Method bathroom cleaner and a cloth and wiping everything down. Now I'm just cleaning out the basket that holds my hair dryer and my straighteners. It kind of collects a little bit of dust. I think some of it is from my dry shampoo. So I'm just wiping everything down really good. Now I'm just sorting through the hair basket. I'm taking out brushes that I don't use anymore and discarding those. And then at the bottom of the basket is also some hair ties, so I put them in the basket where the accessories go. This basket holds extras such as cotton balls, cotton pads, toothbrushes, our face cleaners, and whatever not. So what I'm doing right now is since I have a few extra of the cotton pads and Q-tips, I'm just going to go ahead and fill these containers the containers that hold these. As I was cleaning, I discovered we had enough toothbrushes for everybody to get a new toothbrush. So after the closet was cleaned, everybody was able to get a new toothbrush in their holder. As I cleaned everything out of the basket, I decided if it was a product that we used or not. And if it was, then it was going to go back in the basket. If it wasn't, it was a product that I was going to go ahead and donate to our local food pantry. Now I'm just putting everything back into this basket. I was able to use that last plastic bin that I had in this basket, which I'm really glad I had that because I have some nail polish remover that would be better having a little bit of stability underneath it instead of taking the chance of it spilling. Now I'm on to the second shelf. I'm just wiping everything down with the Method bathroom cleaner in a cloth. Um, I noticed as I was doing this, we have a couple extra hand towels that have seen better days. So I just went ahead and set them aside. I think they're going to go ahead and be used for um, rags out in the garage or something like that. So just going ahead and wiping the shelf off and then wiping down the baskets really well. The day that I was doing the closet here was actually our laundry day. So our little basket that I have for our washcloths wasn't quite full, so they didn't want to stand up like they normally do. Moving on to the third and final shelf in the closet. I'm just going in with the Method cleaner and towel and wiping the shelf and all the baskets down really well. I recently did a cleaning supply shop with me video where I share some new products and some of my favorite products. I'll leave the link down below if you want to go check that out. Now I'm wrapping up the cleaning of the master bathroom closet with a little sweeping and steam mopping the floors. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some useful tips on organizing. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell to get notified when we have new videos up.